Meaning of gazetteer.
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 Gazetteer. A gazetteer is a geographical dictionary that lists and describes places, regions, and geographical features like mountains, rivers, and cities. It typically includes information such as location, size, population, history, and other important details. Gazetteers are often used by researchers, historians, travelers, and geographers to gain a deeper understanding of specific geographic areas. They can be both printed and digital formats and are commonly used as a reference tool in many academic fields. In summary, gazetteers are an important resource for anyone seeking information about the world's geography.